it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Archer and Olive, and this is last week's spread using the Comfy and Cozy stickers from According to Ali. So for this week, the week of, what is it, October 4th through 10th, I'm using more stickers from According to Ali because, of course, I'm going to be using some of her leaves, some of her thankful stickers, and then some of these boxes that were left over from the previous week. I'm going to probably bring in some of my date covers, maybe some work and to-do stickers. They don't come like this. I just decided not to cut them. Maybe some of these as well. We'll see. Let's get started. The first thing I do want to get down are some leaves because they're so gorgeous. And I love that there's like a little bit of a drop shadow on them as well. I have to wipe these out first so that I don't see them underneath. Oh, whoops, that was too much. So I'll add this. Maybe add, I love that mug. I want that mug so much. Little pumpkin here. Such a cute pumpkin. And maybe a candle for Friday? No, let's put the candle here on Thursday. So then I can put something in between Saturday and, or sorry, Friday and Saturday, and that will be another leaf. But I feel like I'm gonna combine it with one of the line leaves, and I love that they're clear. Ooh, okay, that's where you want to go. And add that. Oh, I love that. Then I'm going to use some of this washi across here as well. I'm using pretty much, I think, the same washi that I did last week because the colors just still go really well with this. So I'm going to be combining some of this. Oh, love it. Some of this blue because of this, the blue in there, and this, I just think this blue, I don't know what it is, it's gorgeous with like this pumpkin. I actually kind of want to see how I did the week before. I'm going to put that up a little higher so that there is room for the date cover, and then I will put the grid washi on Friday, kind of cross with that. Then go in with the dates. So for Monday, and the thing with these, because they're printed on white mat, you can actually go over them with the white jelly roll and write the date on them. So this will be the 4th. And it looks so cute. I love that. So then Tuesday, in my blackout sheets, you have enough for 3 weeks plus a weekend and a this week. So then adding that in here and making sure that they line up. And then Wednesday. Oh, you know what? I made it straight with the washi, but the washi itself is, whatever. Okay, so then just writing in the dates. And actually I did all that, and I will have a day off on the Friday. And it's going to be a 4-day weekend for me next week. It is Canadian Thanksgiving, and I refer to it as Canadian Thanksgiving because I also work for a US call center, so I also coincide with a lot of the American holidays. So already I like it. Move this to the side. I'm going to do something very similar to what I did here with all of the boxes and the check marks. So let's do this for Monday, and this will be all my meetings. I'm actually going to double check first if I have that many meetings next week. I'm sure I do. That's not as bad. The worst day looks like Tuesday and Wednesday. So thankfully, yeah, so let's do do this. And then you can put one on Wednesday as well. And I like these big boxes for putting in the meetings. I think it just adds something else to it. Then I'm just checking how I did it the last time because I kind of want it to look very similar to how I laid out the boxes last time. I think design-wise it worked out really well. And I'm trying to kind of move away from needing boxes, but you know what? I actually really, really like it. And yeah, because of the way my planning system is now, I don't need as many boxes as I used to. So, if that makes sense. Tuesday looks crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 5 on here. Thursday I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this I could put on. And this I could put on. No. Let's see. Okay, let's put this down. I mean, I don't think I'll actually use it, like, be completely in line with all the meetings that I've got, but okay. And then I will use the other 2 down here, and I will cut them because they're just a bit too big. So, still referring to the way I did it last time. And cut there. And actually it worked out pretty well last time. I had enough room to be able to put everything down. And I'm actually really thankful that I've got a 4-day week. I've got a 4-day week next week, a 4-day week the following week, and then a 4-day week again. How did I do? Oh, because it's not necessarily a 4-day week, but anyway, I have the Friday off. Okay, I like it so far. What I'm gonna do then is take these to-do stickers with the washi and then put them across here as well with some of the leaves. Yes. I think that's gonna work out really well. For example, I feel like I'll have enough room to do it like this because Monday doesn't have a ton of meetings. And then I can add the blue washi because I've already used the white, that grid on there. So a bit of this blue washi, and then it's going to be the to-do sticker. I do have to remember to put that blue down. Oh, I love it. Then I'll do the same here, but I will put, I'm gonna put the mug somewhere else actually. I do like the Hey There Pumpkin. I'm trying to save some of these stickers obviously for my my horizontal planner, which I use for journaling because I want to be able to use it for both. So let's use this grid washi. I love it, love it, love it already. It's good to do. So good. Okay. I'm gonna leave Friday as a place for me to put notes, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this big leaf here. Whoop. And I'm going to be different this week. I'm going to place, because normally I place one in this corner, but I feel like being different this week. Oh, I like that. And then add the blue. Actually, I'm going to use this instead here. Because why not? Wow, love that. Then I'm going to place the mug. So I'm going to put it in the corner as well. Actually, I'm going to mix this up a bit. Put this here so that there is blue, and then put this here with that grid washi again. Love it. With the leftover. Oh, cute. I feel like it's really simple, and I mean there's a lot of space here, but depending on the types of meetings I have next week and things like that, I will need that space. But I'm just thinking maybe I can put down a leaf, just one leaf, and I will still have enough for, actually, yeah, I think it's one sticker, but it makes such a huge difference. And then for the week, I'm hoping to be able to use this pen. So this is my TWSBI Eco in the clear demonstrator, and the ink that I have in it right now is the, it's normally J Herbon, but it currently is Herbon, and it's Cafe des Îles, and it's this gorgeous brown ink. So I think that will go really well with what's in here. Ever since getting fountain pens, I'm all about what ink will match with that color spread this week. So excited to use that. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.